I'm King Tibarn of Phoenicus.
One of the good guys? Me? Your sense of humor is, well, let's just call it unique. No matter what comes, I will protect you. I hope you'll let me fight beside you to the bitter end.
Your words. Strange for me.
Let us go.
What now?
Cheer me on.
Oh, okay.
What now?
I'll send them flying.
Splendid.
Do what?
That one? Really? Yes?
Yeah? I'll send them flying.
Splendid.
What now? Yeah? I'll send them flying. Ooh!
So it begins.
Huh!
Yes?
Cheer me on. Let us go.
What now? Yeah? I'll send them flying.
Splendid.
Oh, okay.
What now? Yes?
What now?
Do what?
That one? Really?
Yeah? I'll send them flying.
Splendid.